what happened with you? Tell me. क्या हुआ? You were such a buddy of his. At what point of time did you feel, Javeer, that यहाँ नहीं? Not, I won't say कि दाल नहीं गलने वाली, but what point of time did you feel that घुटन हो रही है कि निकलना है?
नहीं, बड़े नहीं, हम प्रजा थे, प्रजा, दरबार के बाहर खड़ी प्रजा.
हाँ क्या?
हाँ, नहीं, हम तो यू नो इन माई, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इन, ऑफ कोर्स कहा जाता है कि हम दुश्मनी में भी एक शराफत रखते हैं. एंड आई कांट डाइवर्ज, इट्स नॉट माई ब्रिंगिंग सर्टन क्लोज डोर मीटिंग्स और द कॉन्वर्सेशंस और माई लास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद हिम और अदरवाइज. But 2-3 incidents, the tipping point was I made it a point, one at a personal level and one at an ideological level. Personal is more fun to say and pinching. I have seen the shift in Mr. Rahul Gandhi when India wanted to go take a straight tour or a route to development. Mr. Rahul Gandhi taking an extreme left turn where only the currency which mattered was sycophancy. And I said it, sycophants are hollowing Congress like termite hollows wood. Where talent, how you speak, how many votes you get, how many state elections you have won or led did not matter. The only thing which mattered, currency, is which PA, which OSD, which individual who has the ears of Mr. Rahul Gandhi is happy with you. And that is, we did not, हम कहते हैं कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कांग्रेस में दो तरह के लोग हैं. एक जिनके लिए घर कांग्रेस था और दूसरा जिनका घर कांग्रेस से चलता है. तो जो घर कांग्रेस से चलाने वाली दरबारी हैं, जो लोग इस देश को सुप्रीम प्रायोरिटी रखते हैं या जो सुझाव देते हैं, जो लोग कांग्रेस के सोशल मीडिया टेंडरों से कमीशनें नहीं खाते, जो लोग दूसरी कंपनियों से शेयर अपने नाम नहीं करवाते, जो लोग पीआर एजेंसीज को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिलवा के उसमें कमीशनें नहीं ढूंढते, उनसे इन दरबारियों को एलर्जी है क्योंकि वो लोग झुकते नहीं हैं. They are not in a pleasing mode. They are into giving suggestion mode. I'll give you a small example. Surgical strike. What was the point of asking for proof? Telling the Prime Minister कि इनको 6 महीने में पीठ पे देश का युवा डंडे मारेगा. Why does your politics demands to be that provocative? Extreme left ideology, the individuals who showed black flags to Dr. Manmohan Singh when as a Prime Minister he visited JNU, are the mama, chacha, bhatija of Congress party.
Really?
Yeah, it is an extreme left club. Mr. Raja's statement yesterday, कि what is this Naxal Mukt Bharat, is the thought process which is now runs the Congress party, where every industrialist is a chore, where own your party men who can speak for the nation, Modi ji se dar gaye. Your promotion is dependent how much harsh abuses, how many strong words you can give against the Prime Minister. You see, please scan the promotions within the Congress party.
Okay, what I want to ask you is because you
अच्छा, मैं आपको एक बड़ा अच्छा
एक बात बता देती हूँ, फिर आप मेरे को you continue with your train of thought, नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगी. The reason I'm asking you is that, you know, he has the wealth of experience in the sense of he has seen what happened with his father when cronies got around him, misled him. His government fell at one point of time, Rajiv Gandhi, because he had wrong advisors, sycophants and some people who were extended family members. He must have been told that उनकी दादी के साथ भी यही हुआ, that she got these yes men around her who misled her, led to the fallen government, and then some wrong decisions which really shattered the otherwise, you know, good legacy that she might have had. But those wrong decisions is what scarred her tenure. Now, when you've seen that, अगर आप ऐसी फैमिली से हो जहाँ पे ये सब हुआ ही नहीं, तो अलग बात है, you will make your mistakes. But you will learn from the mistakes which your बाप दादा have made ना before that. अगर या संजय गांधी का हो जाए, he had his buddies around him and made mistakes, right? So you learn from what has happened to your, या फिर वो generational trauma आप continue करते रहोगे, कैसे हो रहा है वो?
नहीं, उसमें I you know, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to answer you, suffers from something called ECS, Entitled Child Syndrome. His parameters of entitlement are fixed. Please understand the difference between the two leaders, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Narendra Modi was at the helm of affairs in Gujarat. but there was a fire, there is a fire in his belly till date, that politics means beyond power, it means serving the nation. Politics means also strengthening your political party. Politics means कि हर नल में जल पहुंचाना. Politics means that India के तिरंगा should be शान बानान बरकरार है. You juxtapose with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. For Mr. Rahul Gandhi, if politics is hobby. It's like his toy. He's obsessed with it only for 2-3 reasons. And I always say, अगर राहुल गांधी जी के मापदंड जो राजनीति के हैं, they were 44 MPs. And now, अगर वो 4 भी रह जाते, in Rahul Gandhi's thought, it doesn't make a difference to him. His house is not going. His security is not going. वो 500,000 चेले चपाट्स are not going. Media will still cover it. At a selfish level, I'm saying. The pinch and the humiliation of loss he's never felt. Because his idea of politics is his lifestyle. Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah ji have put tents, kursis. उनको पता है जब चुनाव हारते हैं तो आपके गांव का सरपंच, आपका MLA, आपका MP, आपका कार्यकर्ता हार जाता है. उसका मनोबल टूटता है. शायद वो हार का सेक, द हीट, हमें इतना ना लगता पर इन लोगों को लगता है.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.